A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to your SST class. I hope you all are doing great. So, children, as you know, in SST, we have just completed our chapter 16, Transport and Communication, very nicely. I have explained you each and every line from the chapter, and you have done the word meanings, the question answers in your notebook very well. So, children, today we will be reading the chapter thoroughly, and then I'll explain you the exercise work which is given in your book, and you have to do that exercise work in your book only. Okay, so let's start reading. Chapter 16, Transport and Communication. Transport refers to a way of carrying people and goods from one place to another by land, air, or water. Many years ago, people used animals for transport. Later, after the wheel was invented, people started using carts to move around. The different means of transport kept changing with time. Today, we have many different ways of traveling: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Better means of transport have made traveling much easier. The type of transport we use depends on the distance, cost, and the size of the things that have to be transported. We use road or rail transport for shorter distances and air or sea for longer distances. Roadways. Roads are the most important mode of transport. In India, new and better roads are built every year. Roads can be divided into two types depending on the materials used in making them. Roads made using long-lasting materials like cement and tar are called metalled or pakka roads. These roads can be used all year round, even in the rainy season. Kacha or non-metalled roads are usually smaller paths made of mud. They are difficult to travel on and cannot be used during the rainy season. In our country, we have long roads called highways which connect towns and cities. National highways connect important cities and towns all over the country. State highways link important towns and cities within a state. All these roads have numbers. They are used by people for traveling and for transporting goods. One of the oldest highways is the Grand Trunk Road built by Sher Shah Suri in the 16th century CE. It connects Peshawar in Pakistan to Sonargaon in Bangladesh. This road runs through northern, central, and eastern India, connecting many places like Delhi, Aurangabad, and Howrah. In mountainous regions, tunnels are dug through hills to make roads. During winter, snow has to be cleared regularly to make the roads usable. To connect two river banks, bridges have to be built first. Roads are then built over the bridges. Roads are very important for us because many items that we need, such as food grains, fruits, vegetables, etc., are transported by road to different parts of our country. Railways. The railways are an important means of transport. They are one of the cheapest means of travel over long distances on land. The British introduced the railways in India. The first train ran in 1853 between Mumbai and Thane. Earlier, steam engines were used to pull the trains. Nowadays, trains run on electricity. Train journeys have become much faster and more comfortable. There are two main kinds of trains: passenger trains and goods trains. Passenger trains carry people from one place to another. Goods trains carry goods such as coal, cattle, food, grains, etc. from one place to another. In big cities such as Mumbai and Kolkata, people use the railways to travel to the city from nearby areas for work every day. Delhi and Kolkata have the metro, a system of underground and overground trains. Waterways. Water bodies over which boats can travel, such as seas, rivers, lakes, canals, and backwaters, are called waterways. Ships, boats, yachts, and canoes are means of travel over waterways. Ships carry not only people but also goods from one port to another. Some of the important ports in India are Mumbai, Kandla, Marmagao, Kolkata, and Chennai. Waterways provide one of the cheapest means of travel. Boats have been used by humans for traveling since ancient times. They are still used in the countryside for crossing rivers and streams. These days, people go on holidays on expensive luxury liners which take them from one tourist destination to another. Airways. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. It is mostly used for long distance travel. All major cities in India are connected by air. Aeroplanes and helicopters are used to carry light goods and valuables. They also carry mail. During droughts, floods, earthquakes, and wars, they are used to drop food, medicines, etc. for people in the affected areas. Over the years, smaller planes have now given way to bigger planes. Air travel is expensive, but the number of people traveling by air and the number of airlines have increased. Newer and better airports are being made in the country. There are two types of airlines: international and domestic. International airlines carry people and goods from one country to another. Domestic airlines carry people and goods to different places within a country. International airports are located in big cities such as Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Bengaluru. Communication. We all like to talk to each other and share our thoughts and feelings. This is called communication. It is also about giving people information. We use different means of communication to spread information. The postal system is the most important means of communication in the country. We can send letters, telegrams, money orders, parcels, etc. to any part of the country through post. They take 2 to 4 days to reach the person concerned. It is a slow means of communication. However, speed post and the courier system are faster. Telephones and mobile phones are the quickest means of communication. People can talk to anyone, anywhere in the world if they are connected by telephone. These have become very important means of communication now. These are largely meant for personal use. Newspapers, magazines, and radio and television networks are medium of mass communication. They help in communicating with a large number of people at the same time. They inform people about events taking place all over the world and also educate them about many things. These media also provide entertainment. Nowadays, the internet has become the fastest means of communication. It is an international network of computers, which is also called the World Wide Web. Through this network, people can send messages across the world in a few seconds by electronic mail and get a reply almost instantly. It also provides news and detailed information and keeps us updated in every way. Every major news channel on TV has a website which people can access at any time to keep themselves updated. So this is all about reading. We have done the reading also. आपको इस चैप्टर को 3 times loud reading करनी है. Okay? Now I am going to explain you the exercise work which is given on page number 104. Okay, after reading the chapter loudly, you have to fill these exercises in your book. Okay, exercise number 1, fill in the blanks. A, earlier animals were used for dash. पहले एनिमल्स का यूज किया जाता था किस लिए, वो आपको लिखना है. B, one of the oldest highways is the dash built by Sher Shah Suri in the 16th century CE. C, Delhi and Kolkata have a system of underground and overground trains called the dash. E, D, ships, boats and yachts are means of travel over dash. E, the dash is an international network of computers. Children, first you have to read the chapter loudly. Okay, जब आप चैप्टर लाउडली रीड करेंगे तो आप लोग बहुत इजीली ये एक्सरसाइज फिल कर सकते हैं. जिन बच्चों ने वीडियोस अच्छे से देखी हैं, सुनी हैं, जो मैंने इस चैप्टर की वीडियोस भेजी हैं, और जो चैप्टर्स अच्छे से रीड करेंगे लाउडली 3 times, those children will be definitely able to fill these exercises very easily. और जो बच्चे नहीं रीड करेंगे चैप्टर, वो नहीं फिल कर सकते हैं. वो स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक करेंगे और करेक्ट आंसर भी नहीं लिखेंगे. तो प्लीज चैप्टर को पहले अच्छे से रीड करेंगे आप लोग लाउडली. ओके, उसके बाद ही आप एक्सरसाइज फिल करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2, राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. ए, लार्ज रोड्स दैट कनेक्ट टाउन्स एंड सिटीज आर कॉल्ड हाईवेज. बी, the Americans introduced the railways in India. C, ships are used for traveling over water. D, we can send messages across the world in a few seconds by email. E, the postal system is a form of mass media. Exercise number 3, match the columns. आपको 2 columns दिए गए हैं, कॉलम A and B. पॉइंट्स दिए हैं आपको A, B, C, D, E. 5 पॉइंट्स दिए हैं, आपको रीड करने हैं और देखना है कि B कॉलम में ये किससे मैच होते हैं और उन्हीं के आगे आपको लिखते जाना है. आप लिखेंगे यहाँ पर A, B, C, D, E. ऐसे मैच नहीं करेंगे आप लोग. ओके. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन 1, A, roads made of long lasting materials are called kacha roads, pakka roads, bridges, tunnels. B, trains that carry people from one place to another are called goods trains, electronic trains, passenger trains, none of these. C, which of these is an important port in India? Delhi, Aurangabad, Mumbai, Bengaluru. D, which is the most expensive means of transport? Airways, roadways, waterways, railways. E, which of these can be sent and received by post? Letters, parcels, money orders, all of these. इनमें से कौन सी चीज हम पोस्ट के द्वारा भेज भी सकते हैं और रिसीव भी कर सकते हैं? लेटर्स, पार्सल्स, मनी ऑर्डर्स या ऑल ऑफ दीज. तो आपको इन सभी जितने भी आपको एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, आपको इन सभी के आंसर्स बहुत इजीली मिल जाएंगे आपके चैप्टर से. लेकिन उसके लिए आपको चैप्टर को बहुत अच्छे से अटेंटिवली, केयरफुली आपको रीड करना होगा. ओके, तो आज आप एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 पेज नंबर 104 पर करेंगे और उसके बाद अपना होमवर्क सेंड कर देंगे. प्लीज केयरफुली करना, स्पेलिंग्स रीचेक करना. ओके, thank you children. Stay home, stay safe and stay happy.